Explain about pendulum theory. So basically, first what you need a pendulum, right? So an L-shaped pendulum, like some metal rod L-shaped. Okay, then you need a string. Then with that string, you need to attach like one metal ball to it, right? Then after that, just don't put any pressure on it. Just keep your hand like this and then let it go. And after that, it will start swinging, right? So you put it at 45 degrees angle, it will go at a certain speed. Now with that speed also it has to cover more distance since it's at 45 degrees. And same thing for 90 degrees, right? If we do it from 90 degrees, it will go ultra fast, but it has to cover like lots of distance. While if you're putting it like at maybe 10 degrees, right? If you put it like this, then it will go very slowly, but it has to cover very less distance also. So according to the time, both of them will be at the same speed because the slow one has to cover less distance, but it's going slowly, right? Then after that, the 90 degrees one has to go super fast, but it has to cover lots of distance. And then I measured the timings on this, and it's about like for 10 oscillates. For 10 oscillates, it takes about like 12.3 seconds, about, for some 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter metal ball. So yeah, that is pendulum theory.